Welcome to another episode of Dope DIY. In today's video, I am going to share with you this little machine I just purchased in Lazada. So, come and join me as I unbox and give this tool a try. This is really exciting. As you can see, the box is well packed with bubble wrap. And I'm trying to save it. By the way, I got this for only 413 pesos, including the shipping fee. By the way guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, just click the button below and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, we're almost done. And, there you go. Uh-oh. I can't see any manual inside. Did they miss it? Or there's really none? Okay, never mind. Let's just figure this out. So, let's attach the crank handle first and then the C-clamp. Let's see, what is this for? Oh, I see. You can pull it to adjust the thickness of the dough. Remember guys, I am going to use this in my clay projects, not for pasta. I think it's ready. Let's put on our first clay dough. Wow, it's really nice and even. I think this tool will help me a lot in my clay projects. Let's try again. So, if you guys love doing clay stuff, this tool I think would be of great help. By the way guys, overall, for this product is awesome for its price. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video.